over here. Sorry, y'all, okay? It's gonna be like this. Sometimes I can already tell. All right, but we're gonna make it work. What up, y'all? I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. So in case this is your first time here, my name is Chris. It's so nice to meet you. And to all of my longtime followers, thanks for coming back, y'all. Alright, so hopefully today won't be too long, but I just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit about a product that I picked up from Target recently. So I went to Target a couple weeks ago and I decided to pick up a product that I have been using for a couple years now on my natural hair, and I used to use it all the time on my relaxed hair. So the product I'm talking about is the olive oil, or ORS Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray. It looks like this. So this is the can that I purchased and like hauled in 2016, like at the end of 2016. I'm pretty sure it was like December. And I was like, I wanted to see if this worked on my hair, and it works fantastic on my natural hair. So I still have this can, and it's not expired yet, but you know how like if you have something for so long, you kind of feel like you need to replace it anyways. So that's kind of how I've been feeling with this. I only have like a little bit left in here, but I just wanted to get like a newer container. This one's getting a little leaky and stuff, but I absolutely love using this oil sheen on my hair because it allows me to add shine to styles, especially like wash and goes where my hair is really shrunken. It allows me to add shine to my hair without touching my hair. So, you know, a lot of times we do a twist out or we do a wash and go, and to add shine, you add a little bit of oil or some sort of a pomade, then have to apply it, you know, manually to your hair, and sometimes that can ruin the hairstyle that you're rocking. So having something that you can kind of spray on is so much easier in those situations. So after using this back in 2016, I was like, from here on out, an oil sheen of some sort must be in my hair stash at all times, because my hair naturally doesn't shine on its own like a lot. There's like a little bit of a sheen to it, but you know, I don't have like high beam shine naturally. So when I want some more shine, I like to use something like that. So forever I was seeing, you know, this version in Target and I think Walmart maybe, and also, you know, like beauty supply stores carry ORS. So I was like, okay, I shouldn't have any issue getting it. However, once I decided to finally repurchase it, I noticed that they changed the product to this. This one's called the new ORS Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray infused with coconut oil for restorative shine. So it looks like this. So the packaging, I mean, it's the same color and stuff, but they have a coconut on this one. And, you know, obviously it's a little bit more revamped, a little bit more modern. So I picked this up because I was like, well, I do like this brand for their oil sheen, so let's see if this one is as good as the old one. A lot of the ingredients are the same. However, the old formula did not contain coconut oil and the new formula does. Some of the other oils that are listed in the new version is mineral oil, olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, lanolin oil. The older one had mineral oil, olive oil, lanolin oil, tocopherol acetate, which I think is like vitamin E. Yes, I believe that's vitamin E. Aloe leaf juice, horsetail extract, chamomile, nettle. Is that something here? Let's see. No, none of that is in this one. So yeah, I just feel like it's kind of missing some of the good stuff. Okay. So just glancing at the two, one of the major differences that I noticed with the newer version is this one is said to be lightweight. The older version doesn't say that it's lightweight per se on the front. It may say somewhere on the back. Okay. It says non-greasy and alcohol-free and stuff like that. But this one on the front is stating that it's lightweight. So one of my favorite things about the older one was the fact that it was lightweight, but it had enough weight to stay put, if that makes sense. Like I had long-lasting sheen and shine from the older formula. The newer one, I can definitely tell that it's way more lightweight. Definitely. Hands down. I can just totally tell. This is probably going to have to be like a comparison video because again, they are different products. So I'm going to be kind of like bouncing between the two of these. So hopefully y'all don't get confused. I'm going to try my best to merge the two together as best as I can. But the packaging on the new one has a different nozzle than the old one, which I was super excited about because the old one looks like this. Y'all remember that? The new one looks like this. So it's definitely easier to handle, the new version versus the older version. As far as the output of the mist, I'm going to spray this here. Hopefully you can see this. Here's the old one. You see that? It's like really fine. And the smell, I actually really like the smell of the old one. It has like a, I don't I don't know what it smells like. It's not perfumey, but it kind of has that salon smell. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. The new one, the spray comes out like this. Okay. So you get more oomph out of the new one, and the scent is completely different. The scent of the new one, I'm sorry, I'm going like this. It smells, I want to say fruitier, okay? But it's not fruit. It's coconut-ish, but it's not like a natural coconut smell. And I kind of, at first I like thought I liked the smell, but then as it kind of like set in, I don't like the smell as much as the older one. So it doesn't smell bad, it just doesn't smell as good as the older one. So that's kind of a bummer. So once again, when I'm using an oil sheen spray, or like a dry oil or anything like that, I'm looking for it to give me long lasting shine and for it to not affect the hairstyle that I'm rocking. So as far as how the new formula performs versus the old formula, I honestly think that the old formula performed better simply because, again, I can tell that this one is more lightweight. So I'm going to spray some of this on my hand to see if we can kind of gauge the amount of shine input or output that it's giving. Right. I feel like it almost like disappears almost. Like there is some shine left behind, but I just feel like this one doesn't last as long. It's almost kind of like fading out. So let's try the older one. His hand. And that was actually way less. But I can just feel the difference in this. Like it's so weird. Cause yeah, this one's definitely different. But this one's definitely like it's a greasier feel. It didn't leave my hair greasy or anything, but it's got more weight to it. And you can see the shine, and I used less of a spray. This one is way more shiny than this one. So I hope those close-ups showed exactly like what I'm talking about, but there is a huge difference between the amount of shine that's on my hands right now, and that definitely has been showing on my hair as well. I'm just not getting as much shine as I want from this product. It also doesn't leave my hair as soft. These are like oil based and stuff, and there's mineral oil in there, so it's not necessarily like moisturizing like, you know, as like a water based product would do, but you know, oils still do provide softness depending on the oil, and some do kind of respond like a moisturizer, and this one just doesn't seem to leave my hair feeling as soft. Sometimes my hair feels almost like I put not like a hairspray in it, but it's just more, it's firmer. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes since I've had this on my hands, and I kind of like rubbed it in to absorb the product. And y'all, I'm so serious, this hand feels so much drier than this hand, so I might end up keeping it or I might return it. I'm not sure yet, because it's not like terrible or anything, but I can definitely tell that it's different than the other one. If you use oil sheen on your hair or you've never tried oil sheen on your hair, let me know in the comments below. As always, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you know whenever I post here on YouTube. Alright y'all, so till next time, take care.
Be sure to check out my channel homepage and our new channel, The Wind Down with Chris and Ty, for lots more to watch.